guys, so I just wanted to really just come up with a style for the wedding season that is approaching. My husband and I are actually approaching 5 years, and I wanted to do a style with my kinkestry, and it's hot too, but I wanted to do a style with my kinkestry ponytail, just because I just remember when I was getting married. I got married in 2014, and my sister and my sister-in-law were my maid of honors, and they wore their hair in just buns, just like this. I'm very simple, if you guys haven't noticed, but they just had big buns, and that's all I wanted from them. I didn't want anything detailed or intricate, blah blah blah, but I'm also basic. But I thought this would be like a good take on it, just still like something simple, but you know, for certain, maybe like not every bridesmaid, or maybe every bridesmaid, or whatever, or maybe just your maid of honors. Maybe everyone can still do a big bun, but have like little details that kind of set them apart, or whatever the case may be. Just some ideas. Or even if you are the freaking bride, here is a cute, I mean, you could pull your bun higher, you can go lower and do some detail with it and twist it all around. There's just so many things you can do with this ponytail, and I freaking love it. I had to pull it out. You know, you don't have to do this on the side. You can braid it on the sides, or you could just switch it all the way around. These could be smooth, and maybe just do a design in the front, put your ponytail on. I wish I had this option for my girls when I got married, and maybe for myself too, because then instead of having them use that money to get their hair done and all that kind of stuff, when it's just going to be for a day, you can have them just use that money, invest in like a ponytail or a pack of clip-ins or something like that, where they're gonna love you and they could reuse it over and over and over again if they don't have anything already. Yeah, so if you are a bride, bridesmaid, whatever, share this with someone, give them that idea. Weddings are expensive, trust me, I know, but it's also expensive being in a wedding too. So anything that you can do to kind of take the pressure off of your bridesmaids or whoever, they will absolutely love it. All I did was just twist it up. Maybe for reception you guys can untwist it and just wear your big natural ponytails. I don't know, you guys, I just think it was a cute style. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them down below. You know I will answer you. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, please. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.